Okay, so here the problem's written a little bit strange, but we're basically going to be standing still and having a day, eating a donut, donut, and now a kangaroo is going to kick you. And when the kangaroo kicks you, it's going to be applying a force of 70 newtons, and it's going to do that for a distance of 1.5 meters. Wow, that's quite the long legs on that kangaroo. So it's asking you how much work will it do. Well, remember, work is equal to force times distance. This is a pretty straightforward problem. Work is equal to 70 times d, which is 1.5. So we end up with work is equal to 105 joules. Okay, and oops, that doesn't look like a 5. There you go. That's your answer. Box it up.